Hello guys, Michael here with another video, and today I want to talk about why your first impressions aren't working. Imagine this, you're now going to talk with a beautiful woman and you want to make the best possible impression, all right? So what are you thinking about here? Well, mostly you think about being an interesting person, a funny person, a charismatic person. And most people think that in order to be charismatic, you need to be a great storyteller. You need to be funny. You need to be witty. You need to be able to crack some jokes and in the same time stay positive. That will give you the power of charisma, right? So imagine yourself talking to that beautiful woman and trying to in some way execute all that. What are you doing exactly? Are you trying to make a couple of jokes? Are you trying to get into the storytelling part where you're going to tell something interesting? And are you a person that trying to be witty and taking your surroundings and telling something interesting about that while being positive with a smirk? If you are one of those guys that trying to use external things in order to give a great impression towards the other person, you're actually on the wrong side of the spectrum. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you are going to make the best possible impression towards that woman, towards people in general, by far. And when I say by far, I really mean by far. All right. So here comes the first thing. People in general, including beautiful women, are very self-centered. And that is something that you have to use if you want to make a great impression. So in order to make a great impression, you're making it about them. You see, not about you, but about them. So your way should not be based on you externally giving them a lot of entertainment, a lot of amusement, and therefore you give a great impression. No, your great impression in their eyes comes from your level of interest towards them. So in order to become interesting, you have to be interested, all right? So this is very valid here. So if you can shift your mindset to become more interested towards the other person and using the right strategies to show that you are genuinely interested, that is how you're going to make the best possible impression. I mean, there has been done thousands and thousands of studies throughout decades of scientific research in interpersonal communication, which is designed to build relationships. It's like a communication area that were designed to build relationship with others, including men that want to build relationship with women. If you're going to be interested towards the other person, and based on that curiosity and that interest, you're letting the other person talk about themselves and what they think about things in depth, that is how you're going to score maximally. You're optimizing your way of getting the best possible impression. You simply make it about the other person, with you being the person that are just super interested to learn more about the one you're talking to. Have you thought about that before? You haven't, have you? Have you applied anything like this before? No, you probably haven't, right? And if you are a person that just asked a lot of questions just because you haven't come up with anything to say, so you're just asking questions after question after questions, then there are two things into it. Number one, you don't know how to ask questions because you don't know how to deal with the answers. And number two, your mindset is completely wrong as well. It's more about showing genuine interest, and asking questions after questions after questions without dealing with the answers is not showing interest. So the whole idea of this video is to implement the powerful scientific principle and foundation of being interested towards the other person to really optimize the best possible outcome when it comes to the first impression people get from you. It could be the second impression, the third impression. We're talking about multiple dates here. You being interested towards them is a hack. It is like, what can I say, breaking the code of the society. This is the secret weapon you're going to use if you want to really get a great impression. All right, that's it for this video. And if you like this video, push the like button. If you have any thoughts about this area, comment below and I will reply to you. I always reply to my comments, and I would love to hear what you think if you have something in your mind. And Subscribe to this channel, it helps it to grow, and my mission is to give valuable information that is real and scientifically backed to all the guys out there that are so in need for real information. All right, I hope to see you in the next video.